Hi, I'm Alicia Alonso.
I'm Mark Trias.
And I'm Janelle Laura, and we're with Option 1 Real Estate.
This home is located in Triana Subdivision in Helotes, Texas. Welcome to our spacious Newcroft Place Charmer. This single story has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and is 2,706 square feet. Triana is a gated subdivision with wonderful amenities. This home has an amazing open floor concept. A large granite kitchen island, tall cabinets, and a formal separate dining area, including a breakfast nook. This home is energy efficient with built-in pest control. This is a handicap accessible home with ceramic tile throughout. Huge master bedroom with large bay windows, privately secluded from the other bedrooms. A spa-like bathroom with a garden tub and a wonderful sized walk-in closet. All the rooms in this home are carpeted, and the secondary bedrooms all have tons of space. As I mentioned earlier, there is a 3rd full bathroom accommodating the guest bedroom at the front of the house. A covered patio overlooking the lush green trees and the amazing Greenbelt right in the comfort of your backyard. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that is more accurate than what's on the internet, log on to our website, send us a text, or give us a call. We're always happy to help.